There are dozens of budgeting methods, and most people never stick to one because they start with the wrong one. This video ranks 7 widely used budgeting methods from easiest to most effective so anyone can find the right starting point. Number 1 is the no budget budget. This is the easiest method and requires the least effort. The only rule is to cover all bills and savings first, then spend whatever remains freely without tracking. It works best for people with stable incomes, no debt, and strong spending discipline. It requires the least time, but offers the least control. For anyone in debt or living close to their income limit, this method is too passive to produce real progress. Number 2 is the 50-30-20 rule. This method divides in take-home pay into needs, wants, and savings or debt repayment. It is simple, requires no detailed tracking, and works well as a first budgeting framework. The weakness is that it is too broad for households where fixed costs, like rent, already consume more than 50% of income. Number 3 is the pay yourself first method. Before any bill is paid, a set amount is transferred directly to savings or investments. This method removes willpower from the equation and is highly effective for building savings and retirement contributions. The limitation is that it does not address overspending in specific categories or aid debt payoff strategy. Number 4 is the cash envelope method. When the envelope is empty, spending in that category stops. Research shows spending physical cash feels more significant than swiping a card, which reduces impulse purchases. The limitation is that it is impractical for online purchases and requires carrying cash regularly. Number 5 is the values based budget. Spending is aligned with personal priorities, so categories that matter most receive the largest allocations. This method requires honest self reflection but produces high satisfaction because spending decisions feel intentional. Number 6 is the automated budget. Every financial obligation is automated, and so the budget runs itself with minimal ongoing effort. This is effective for people who are consistent but disorganized because it removes the need for active monthly management. The risk is that errors or unexpected charges go unnoticed if the system is never reviewed. Number 7 is zero based budgeting. Every dollar of monthly income is assigned a specific purpose until the balance reaches zero. This is the most labor intensive method and also the most effective for financial awareness. It catches overspending, forces savings and debt repayment to be treated as non negotiable, and outperforms other methods for serious goals. The most important decision is not which method is best in theory, but which method will actually be used consistently. A perfect system abandoned after 2 weeks is worse than an imperfect system followed month after month. The right method fits current lifestyle, income level, and a level of financial urgency. Someone with no debt and a high savings rate may do well as with the no budget or the automated method. Someone carrying high interest debt who has tried passive systems needs the structure and visibility of zero based budgeting. Starting simple and upgrading the method as habits strengthen is a legitimate strategy. Begin with the 50-30-20 rule to build the habit of categorizing, then move to zero to based budgeting for precision. No method is permanent, and the goal is financial progress and consistent action over time. The right budgeting method is whatever makes progress happen consistently over time. Subscribe to Cent Clarity for a new financial breakdown every week.